My name is Joyce Dare, a graduate of the Ghana Field Epidemiology and Laboratory Training Program. I'm here in Kampala to attend a scientific writing workshop organized by Affinet. This workshop has been very useful. We've been able to learn a lot of things. You know, as young scientists or researchers who are coming up, we do a lot of work, but the challenge is how to convert them to manuscripts for publication. But in this workshop, we've been able to learn the technical skill that is needed, because scientific writing is a skill, and you need to be able to convert all that you've done into material that will be understood by a larger audience. So this workshop has given us the opportunity to acquire that skill. We've learned so much, even to identify your audience and the journal you can submit your work to. So it's been very useful, it's been very resourceful. The mentors have been able to help us focus our work towards the audience so that they can understand. We've learned so much in terms of the technicalities and even what publishers look out for when we submit our manuscripts. So it's been very resourceful, it's been very useful. The mentors have been very supportive. The only thing we think the impact of this is going to be great, because we are going to be able to convert our work into materials that can be understood by the larger public than just keeping it in our drawers and not being able to send the message across. The only thing we would like the organizers to do the next time is to give us more mentors, so that you can have more than one person reviewing your work, so that you will be able to get a lot of views to refine your manuscript, so that at the end of the day we'll be able to submit them to journals for publication. Thank you very much.
So just what this has benefited you?
I think this writing workshop is one of the best things that have happened to me in recent times. It's not enough to do a research or conduct a study. I think it's even more important to be able to disseminate the findings of the research to peers and to others in the scientific world. I think this is a laudable thing that Affinet is doing. I hope the outputs from the workshop will stimulate Affinet to be able to do more. There is room for mentorship. Writing is not what can be achieved in 2 weeks, but this is a step in the right direction, and we hope the mentoring and the